everything we have here at TonnoFlip Shop. We're gonna be installing on this Tacoma 2026. And we're gonna do the installation here in the showroom, not in the shop. Now it's not gonna be so easy to steal, right? We have the TFP gate locker. Easy and secure. TFP bed extender. It comes in a box like this. Everything is gonna be assembled here for this Toyota Tacoma 2026. I don't want to see no new trucks like this with scratches on the bed. There is no excuse. Look at this, the TonnoFlip bed mat. Now we're gonna be installing the floor liners. You want protection for your interior? I'm gonna show you why the TonnoFlip interior floor liners are better than the factory ones. These are the factory front mats that the Tacoma comes with. As you can see here, there is a lot of difference. Two small mats in the back. Look at this. Do you think that'll cover anything? Look at the difference here. Full protection with the complete mat, so you can protect the whole floor. Now, let's install it. this is the final product. Here, we took it outside so you can see it clearly. All TonnoFlip products. You can see the door visors, the roof racks, the hard folding tonneau cover, the bed mat, bed extender, wheels and tires, full transformation of this Toyota Tacoma 2026 with TonnoFlip products. And remember, you can get them at TonnoFlip.com. Subscribe to this channel. If you like, drop mods.